Do you ever feel like your paycheck disappears as quickly as it arrives? Here's a staggering fact. 70% of people in developed countries live paycheck to paycheck. Not because they don't earn enough, but because they waste money on things that add zero value to their lives. Shocking, right? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why to not waste money on, but also learn how to apply this money smartly in your own life to build wealth and live smarter. So, stay with me till the end. This could stop your hard-earned money wastage forever. Subscribe to the Wealthy channel and let's get started. Number 1. Fancy bank fees. Banks profit from your mistakes. Overdrafts, account maintenance, and ATM fees can drain your money unnecessarily. Is it happened with you? You charge $35 fees because you forgot to transfer money between accounts. Over a year, these fees totaled $280. Don't pay for overdrafts, account maintenance, or using out-of-network ATMs. Billionaire Mark Cuban once said, "Cash is king, and it's not what you make, it's what you keep." If you're giving away $35 here and $10 there for avoidable fees, you're not keeping enough. Choose no-fee banking options, automate bill payments to avoid late fees, and stay informed about your account balance. Number 2. Trendy fashion. Trending fashion is cheap up front but expensive long term. A study by McKinsey revealed that the average person wears a fast fashion item only 7 times before discarding it. Imagine a college student who loved shopping for trendy clothes. She'd buy $10 tops and $15 jeans almost weekly. But after just a few washes, the clothes faded, tore, or lost their shape. By the end of the year, she had spent over $800 on disposable fashion but still had nothing to wear. Invest in timeless, high-quality pieces. They may cost more initially, but they last longer, save money, and reduce waste. These clothes not only hurt your wallet, but also the environment. Ask yourself, will I still wear this a year from now? If the answer is no, skip it. Number 3. Buying to impress others. Rich people don't care about impressing strangers. They're focused on building assets, not flaunting liabilities. Spending to impress is a losing game. People may notice your fancy car or designer clothes for a moment, but they won't care as much as you think. Ask yourself before every purchase, am I buying this for me or to impress others? If it's the latter, skip it. Shift your focus to impressing yourself with financial freedom. That's the kind of wealth that truly lasts. Number 4. Lottery tickets. Here's the fact. The odds of winning the Mega Millions jackpot are 1 in 176 million. You're more likely to get hit by lightning. Plus, studies show 70% of lottery winners go bankrupt within a few years due to poor money management. A person is a factory worker, spent $10 every week on lottery tickets, dreaming of striking it rich. Over 10 years, he spent $5,200, yet never won more than $50. Stop gambling on luck. Instead, invest that money in mutual funds or stocks. Over time, $10 a week can grow into thousands of dollars through compound interest. You'll build real wealth instead of chasing pipe dreams. Number 5. Unused subscriptions. Have you ever signed up for a free trial only to forget about it and keep getting charged month after month? Businesses count on you forgetting to cancel. A study found the average consumer wastes $200 annually on unused subscriptions. If you subscribe to 3 streaming services during a long weekend, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and a fitness app, ask yourself, are you using all of this? Conduct a subscription audit today. Cancel anything you don't use and use free trials strategically. You'll save money for things you actually enjoy, like travel or exploring the things which you actually enjoy. Number 6. Fast food. Beyond the monetary drain, fast food is often packed with unhealthy ingredients like excessive salt, sugar, and trans fats, which contribute to long-term health issues such as obesity, diabetes, and heart problems. Financially, eating fast food regularly can quickly add up. Consider this. If you spend $10 a day on fast food, that's $300 a month, money that could be directed toward groceries, savings, or investments. The alternative? Cooking simple, nutritious meals at home. Not only is home cooking cheaper, often costing half as much as fast food, but it also empowers you to control what goes into your body. Additionally, learning to cook can be a creative and rewarding experience, helping you save money while fostering healthier eating habits. Over time, These small changes can lead to significant financial and health benefits, proving that skipping the fast food line is a win-win decision. Number 7. Impulse purchases. Ever walked into a store for one thing and left with 5? You're not alone. Retailers are masters of tempting you to overspend. One of my friends went to buy a $10 notebook but walked out with $50 worth of stationery he didn't need. Why? Clever marketing and sales signs. Impulse buys provide instant gratification but no long-term value. Always shop with a list. If you see something you want, wait 24 hours before buying. Chances are, you won't even think about it the next day. You'll save money and make mindful spending decisions, giving you more control over your finances. Number 8. Brand new gadget. Did you know that tech companies release new models every year? Not because they're drastically better, but because they know you'll buy them? Here's the truth. Most people don't even use the advanced features of the latest smartphones or laptops. If you bought the newest smartphone for $1,200, even though your old one worked perfectly fine, within 2 years, its resale value dropped to just $400. Depreciation is brutal on electronics. Buying the latest gadget is like throwing money into a fire. It burns fast. Stick to a device until it genuinely needs an upgrade. If you must buy, go for slightly older models. They're just as efficient at a fraction of the cost. Number 9. Over-the-top celebrations. Rich people know that memories aren't built on how much money you spend. They're built on experiences. That's why they avoid extravagant celebrations just for show. Spending tens of thousands on party, $10,000 on a birthday bash might impress others temporarily, but it often leaves a long-term dent in your savings or adds to your debt. Plan meaningful celebrations within a budget. Focus on what truly matters, relationships, not appearances. By redirecting funds from showy events to investments, education, or even memorable travel experiences, they secure their financial future while still enjoying life. The lesson here is simple. Celebrations are about connection, not competition. Number 10. Debt-fueled purchases. One of the dumbest mistakes people do, they buy showy items on debt. Grant Cardone, a multimillionaire, always says, "Never buy a car you can't afford to pay off in cash." He focuses on using debt for investments, not expenses. Rich people use debt strategically to build wealth, not to fund lifestyles they can't afford. They don't buy liabilities like cars, vacations, or gadgets on credit. Save for what you want and buy it outright. Use debt only when it helps you generate income, like investing in property or business. Debt is a tool, not a crutch. Use it to build wealth, not to destroy it. Imagine all these wastes redirecting all that wasted cash into investments, your dreams, or even just saving for a rainy day. Make smarter financial choices and invest in our futures. If this video opened your eyes, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs this advice, and hit that subscribe button for more life-changing financial tips. Don't let another dollar slip away. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.